Hello, my lovely friends on the internet. Good morning, good afternoon to each and everyone watching me right now. It's been a while since I posted the video on this channel, and that is because, guys, I have been very busy with a lot of things. But hey, I was preparing something good for you. I have recorded a tons of videos for you. But before I start uploading these videos for you guys to see, there are some softwares that you need to get, and I want you to get these softwares before I start uploading all these videos so that you can quickly get more of it. You can easily quickly start practicing them and also include them in your project. So today this website will help you get your desired software free software from this website 100% free. So without wasting much time, let us get to our Google Chrome browser, and then I will show you this website. So let's go. Okay, so this is my browser. Let's go to the search button over here, and then let's type getintopc.com. This is a website that we are going to get all these softwares for free. So let's go. Yes, that is it. Getintopc.com. Wow. So as you can see, there are a lot of categories. If you know the categories, the softwares, right? They should give you a tons of categories. If you are an analyst, a 3D analyst, an animation, you can get free animation softwares, a whole lot, printing, visualization, and say spyware, and a lot. As you guys can see, a lot of categories. By the way, you won't go through all that. You can even upload or download free operating softwares like Linux, Windows 10, Ubuntu, name them, right? You can also, if you are an architect, you can download AutoCAD for free and a whole lot of designing websites and designing softwares, right? And also graphic designing, Adobe Illustrator, you can get Photoshop, Lightroom, and lot. And also, if you are the multimedia section, you can get Nero Platinum Suite. And these softwares are for sale with they cost so much, but here you can get all these softwares 100% free. Development softwares, antiviruses softwares, you can get all these things for free. And then education softwares, you can get all these for free. And then also tutorials, maybe let's say Photoshop tutorials, right? Photoshop tutorials. So let's just type Photoshop. Okay, let's enter. You can get free Photoshop tutorials, Lightroom tutorials, premium tutorials, and all that for free, right? So let's try and download them. Let's try an example, because I have all the software that I need right now. But let's try, for your sake, let's try Adobe Illustrator. CC 2020 for free. Okay, so let's hit it. And then some websites you need to go through all these. You need to go through some steps. Watch videos. Involve yourself in a survey and all those bullshit. But here you won't even get the time to do that. So these are the features, and then scroll, boom. This is the password. So this will download it to a zip file for you. Just hit download and it start downloading. It starts downloading. So let's try it and see. Alright, so download. And then it will start downloading very soon. Right. So let's wait. See. Wow. So I won't allow this to go because I already have Adobe Illustrator, so I just cancel it. So you see how easy it is, right? You see how easy it is to download any software from this website. And when you download the zip file, and make sure too that after the installation, after the download, you turn off your Windows Defender, right? You turn off your Windows Defender, and then you also turn off your internet connection before you install this program, right? Make sure you turn off your Windows Defender, and then you turn off your internet access. Otherwise, these features or these components will crash the file that you have downloaded. So after you've installed, then you can turn them back online to protect your system again, and then you enjoy using your software. So thank you for watching this video once again. Don't forget to subscribe. From now onwards, every week, every 4 days, I will upload and share with you my skill set and all that. You can also check more on my website, thesolonet.com. I will have a blog version of this content over there, and then you guys can check it out for you. So thank you for watching this video once again. Don't forget to visit or search this right now, getitopc.com. It's really easy to access, and then you guys will get the best out of it. So thank you. See you the next time. Bye.